So now we're recording and using OBS Studio on the Chewy HiBook. Don't ask me why the screen capture is capturing a screen capture of a screen capture of a screen capture, but it is. So we're all going to have to live with that. But the point is, I did learn how to put a filter on, and to get rid of background noise and things like that. Go to filters. You're going to add a filter right here, and noise suppression. Now I've already added it. I set mine to -43. It seems to work, cuts out all the background noise. Everything seems to be working well. The only problem is I'm about to hit stop recording, and we'll see just what happens now. Sure. Alright, now we're back. It actually recorded okay. I had to make one settings change to use this in the HiBook, where when I hit stop recording it doesn't sit there and idle around for 25 minutes. So we're going to go to settings, and over here under output we're going to change the encoder to all things hardware. I couldn't believe that it would work that well, but it did, and it seems to have cured all my encoding problems also. Probably going to end up with the same results over on the HI12. So that's all I got for now. I wish I could get rid of the infinite display, and of course I could just by minimizing this, and you'd just see the screen, and that'd be alright too. But we're really pushing this to its limits. But look at the CPU is now down to like 23%. The frame rate's a little lower, but that's okay. We can live with that. We're going to stitch these two together in Openshot and see what we get. That's all.